Hello people of Amazon. So right here we have the Easy Dose Earwax Removal Syringe. Now this one is super convenient for everyday use or for whenever you need it, especially if you've accidentally used Q-tips to the point where you have clogged your ear. Now I would of course recommend you watch some YouTube videos about this, but what you technically have to do is you have to get a hydrogen peroxide, but make sure it's 3% and that it's recommended for like medical use and for your ears and so on. Then you put the hydrogen peroxide, just a little amount, into your ear and you will start hearing it bubbling. Once it starts bubbling, you lay on your side and let it rest for 15 minutes. Then once you hear the bubbling slowly wear off, you take the syringe. You take like medium temperature warm water, not very warm at all, but not too cold either because it can make you very dizzy. So just make sure it's like body temperature kind of measured water. And then as you can see here, it's a tri-stream. So when you put it in your ear, it will do a splash against all the separate places in your ear to get the earwax out in the best possible way. Now I definitely recommend this, and after you've used it, you feel like you're a new person again. And it improves your hearing and you can hear things that you didn't know you could hear before.